Now, okay, Garmin, save video.
This biker barely held on after a careless maneuver. That's one way to deal with a breakup, I guess.
Probably. And now.
Sorry, that was fucked up. I'm sorry. That was fucked up. I'm sorry.
Whose fault was this?
Oh shit, look at this motherfucker. What's the problem, dude? You don't know how to drive?
The award for most reckless driver of 2026 goes to this person.
No traffic. They're gonna crash. Oh, full bell. This is everybody. Walk over to me.
It's coming soon, but your opportunity to be there starts now. Through an exclusive offer with an eligible American Visa credit card. For a limited time, become a new customized cash rewards or unlimited cash rewards Visa credit card holder, and you will be eligible for a chance to purchase people worth.
There's no way he could have slowed down in time.
Babe, you're still gonna hit him. Oh my god.
Babe, I would rather take him on the side than hit him all the way on there.
You could have slowed down all the way.
No, I couldn't have. I did not have time.
This is ridiculous. Track day gone wrong. This traffic stop just keeps getting bigger.
Watch it! They get me another unit.
A hot pursuit takes out an electric pylon.
I'm down. Your priority. Go ahead.
6-5. We got a Dodge Caravan taking off eastbound Oakwood. 6-5. Two dicks. Vehicle crashed out!
Single crash through Dix and Oakwood.
The most ambitious overtake of all time. This Tesla seems a bit confused.
Peñón pequeño y dale caña. Cuidado, cuidado, cuidado.
Ice, high speed, and overtaking is a recipe for disaster. He took it like a champ.
You okay?
What on earth are they doing? They let God take the wheel.
What the fuck?
Sir, that is not a lane.
Go! There we go, another idiot.
He must be transporting jelly, right?
Why not?
Come on, just leave your house at home. This is the best possible outcome. I'm not gonna lie, that was a sick drift. Sorry, ma'am, I think you dropped something.
Oh, no.
bro is furious, and I don't blame him. Don't be this kid. Look before you cross. Self-driving cars are just rage baiting at this point.
可怜的公交车呀！
This kid regrets making a drive-by escape. This crash is almost wholesome. Forget sat-nav, his GPS is a Raven.